Introducing the SS-DEC, our Decorator-Style smart switch. Functionally similar to our popular 2-button switch, this device offers a sophisticated decorator style while maintaining its predecessor's proven functionality. Designed with specifiers in mind, the SS-DEC prioritizes aesthetics without compromising performance, making it an ideal choice for spaces where design is as important as functionality. The SS-DEC utilizes a toggle-style single button with on-off raise-lower functionality, making it Touché's most desirable smart switch yet. Like all other Touché smart devices, the Smart Decorator switch communicates with a room controller and utilizes a standard Ethernet cable, making installation a snap. Similar to other Touché smart switches, these devices can be configured from our free Insight app as either a scene or zone station. The user interface is just as simple. Pressing the button on the top turns the lights on, and pressing the bottom turns them off. A press and hold raises and lowers the lights respectively, with an array of LEDs to indicate the current lighting level. The switch even includes a save function to store the top button preset locally and directly from the switch. Go to touchecontrols.com/example-applications and discover how our SS-DEC can transform lighting projects